to indicate movement to the exterior. Go out, move out, step out, get out. She told him to get out of the room immediately. We decided to step out for some fresh air. To express availability or visibility. Out of stock, out in the open, out on display, out for delivery. The item you're looking for is out of stock. The truth is finally out in the open. To show exhaustion or depletion, run out, wear out, burn out of energy. We've run out of milk, so I'll buy some later. He's completely burned out from overworking. To indicate completion or resolution, figure out, work out, sort out, find out. We need to figure out how to fix this issue. Did you find out who's coming to the party? To denote exclusion or removal. Out of bounds, out of the team, out of reach, out of context. The ball went out of bounds, so the game paused. That statement was taken out of context. To describe distribution or dispersion, hand out, give out, spread out, pass out. She handed out flyers at the event. The crowd spread out to make room for the performers. To indicate expression or revelation, speak out, cry out, call out, shout out. She spoke out against the unfair treatment. He called out for help in the middle of the night to show ejection or expulsion, throw out, kick out, push out, squeeze out. They were kicked out of the club for misbehaving. Please throw out the garbage before you leave. To denote end or extinction, die out, fade out, burn out. The species is slowly dying out due to habitat loss. The old software is being phased out for a newer version. Common collocations with out of control, out of sight, out of nowhere, out of options. The situation quickly got out of control. The car appeared out of nowhere and nearly hit the cyclist. We're out of options, so we need to make a decision soon.